Hey there, friends. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find your Watch Later playlist in YouTube. So the first step is to make sure you're signed in. If you aren't, click on the sign in button at the top right of your YouTube page and navigate to the left-hand side over here. So as you can see, there are a few options. If you don't see it, simply click on the menu button at the top left and this should bring it up. So as you can see, if we scroll down a little bit, we should find the option watch later. So you don't have to scroll down that far and you should be able to see it very easily. So as you can see, once I click on it, it opens up my watch later playlist. So that's how you can find your watch later playlist, how to view it on using your web browser. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.